Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring this old bench back to life. It's been exposed to the elements all year round, and as you can see, the paint has started to flake off it. Something like this needs treating at least once a year. I've cleaned it up with a jet wash, left it to dry, sanded it down. It's now ready to start paint spraying with a Wagner handheld paint sprayer. And that's my hardwood bench complete. Little amount of preparation, cleaning it up, sanding it down, and 2 coats of paint. And I'm sure you'll agree, it looks fantastic. If you're looking for some more hints and tips or some inspiration on paint spraying, why don't you follow us on social media?